I'm Erica Rasha and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about should you post on Instagram every day or not. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe bell, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss a thing. But let's get right on into it. Should you be posting on Instagram every day or not so much? So that's the age-old question, is how often should we really be posting on Instagram? And should we be posting every day? And if so, should we be posting 3 to 4 or 5 times a day? And the answer is sure. Yeah, you should be posting every day, because posting every day gives you the opportunity to get your content in front of more of your followers and in front of more people. And it gives you more chances that your content will go viral. However, is it realistic? So they tell us all the time that posting every day on Instagram is the quickest way to grow. And like I said, that's true because it gives you an opportunity to get more eyes on your content. However, it's not fully true. And I think that we should go into why it's only partially true and not all the way. So, number one, when you are posting on Instagram every day, especially multiple times a day, it has a big opportunity to hurt your value. So, daily posting only truly works if you have really great quality and really high value packed content for your audience. And it is really hard to come up with 5 to 7 pieces of great quality content for 1 week and then having to do that all over again the next week. And eventually you're just recycling ideas. And who wants to run out of ideas within 2 months? Nobody. So that's one of those reasons why it's really hard to keep up with posting every day. Because also, if you think about it, one really good post will always be better than 3 just okay posts. Well, which brings me into my next point. If you have one really good post that goes and blows up, Instagram's going to extend that shelf life because it's going to keep pouring it out to more people and more people. As we know, when we post on Instagram only shows a small percentage of our followers. So if you actually look in your analytics, you'll see how many people have seen this post on their home screen. And it's never the full amount of your followers. Like if you have 1,000 followers, only maybe 200 of those people might see that post on your home screen, because Instagram trickles it out and sees, oh, well, if a good percentage of these 100 people liked it, then let's go and show more people. If you have a really good post where everybody's liking it, commenting on it, saving the post, then guess what? Instagram's going to keep pushing it out more and more and more. And that 24-hour shelf life that we usually hear of when we talk about our posts, that's going to get extended. You could even end up on the explore page. But once you post another picture, now Instagram's expecting all those people to go over to that. And if it doesn't go over just right, then you didn't just hurt yourself, and you just hurt that great piece of content that you just posted. I think that a lot of people also forget that it's truly hard to post every single day. It's hard to post 3 times a week. So imagine doing that multiple times a day or every single day. It's hard. You need a caption. You need content. So whether that's a carousel, a video, a picture, or something, you need all of that. You need to do hashtag research. That is hard, and you have to plan in advance. But it just takes a lot of time. Like writing out really great captions, I'm sorry, but if you are writing out 50 great captions in 15 minutes, call me because I have a job for you and I need to pay you. But so that takes a lot of time to do and to keep up with. It doesn't make sense. Like it's a lot of time and it's a lot of effort. And what tends to happen is you end up slacking somewhere else. So you might have bomb captions, but then the post is trash. Who wants a bomb caption with a trash post, right? Like I won't even read it if the post is trash. And so it's a lot of time and a lot of effort to create value into not even just value, though, just to create posts in general. And you want to schedule those posts because who has time to get on an Instagram at 6 o'clock every day at the very second to send those posts out or whatever? So you got to go through and schedule all 50 of those posts or whatever. It can be honestly a lot. And do you really have time to do that? Honestly, I really want you to think about it. Do you have time to sit there every day or to sit there for, even if you batch your content, to sit there for a full day making however many posts you want to do? So let's end this video on more of a positive note. So should you post on Instagram every single day? Sure, it works for some people, but also I want you to think about the niches that it works for. So for instance, your news niches, your meme account, food pages, they can get away with posting every day. But posting every day might not be the best thing for your niche. It might burn out your audience, it might burn you out, and it might decrease your value of your content. However, so instead of thinking about posting every single day, come up with a great Instagram strategy that will help you stay consistent. If you want to check out my Instagram strategy, I'll link it in the cards above. But look at your analytics and figure out what days are your people mostly active, because you might also find out that your followers aren't even on Instagram like that on Mondays or Wednesdays or something. So you want to look at your analytics and see when are your people on and pick the top 3 days or so out of that. And those are the days that you post. And once you get used to posting maybe 3 times a week, then maybe you can work your way into posting 5 times and then 7 times if you would like. It's all what you want and it's all what you feel comfortable with. But don't let anyone tell you that you have to post every single day, because how much you want to bet their engagement rate is trash if they are. Or they are just in one of those niches where posting every single day truly gets the work. Or it's their full-time job, so they ain't got nothing else. This is what they make their money with. If this is not your full-time job, this is your side hustle, this is something that you're looking to make your full-time, start off slow. Don't just throw yourself all out there. It is okay. I know somebody that posts like once or twice a month and is making buku money off of Instagram. So it's definitely possible. But that's what I got for y'all for this video. Make sure y'all check out these other videos on the screen. YouTube recommends them for you. And I think that you're on YouTube anyway, so why not check them out? Like, what you waiting for? Like, don't get off. Don't watch another one of my videos. But my name is Erica Rasha, and I'm so thankful to have you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Erica Rasha, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!